welcome to our second week of craft with us. So today we're going to be making little bee hotels. So what you're going to need is a mason jar or a bottle or a mug, some sort of container, and some paper straws or construction paper to make your own paper straws, and some string to hang it. And that's basically it. Make sure to have some paint on hand to decorate your bee hotel. And okay, let's get started. So if you don't have paper straws at home, you can use a piece of cardboard paper and a pencil to make your own. So you just lay your piece of cardboard, piece of construction paper down and roll it really tight around the pencil. And then you would tape this end off, and then you could cut this to length to fit in your container instead of having to use a paper straw. So first thing you're going to do is cut your straws to length so they fit in the jar or your container or your bottle. So the measurement is going to be a little bit different for everyone. For me, in this jar, I need to cut the straw about in half. And then you're just going to repeat that until you have enough straws to really pack your jar tight, like this one. Alright, so I think I'm almost done here. Probably just a couple more straws. Once it gets hard to pack in, that's when you're done. So, probably have room for one more. Okay, and then that's going to be all I can fit. So that is the first part of your bee hotel. So next, you're going to cut a length of string to hang it on a branch with, just like this. So string or yarn will work just fine. And then you tie it around your jar. I probably cut this one a little bit short, but it all depends how much you want it to hang down. Alright, and there you go. A hotel. You can decorate it. So you can decorate it however you want. So I'm just going to pick out a couple different colors of paint and paint some flowers on it probably. So there's my final bee hotel. So here was my demo one. Just so you guys know that these things can become a home for wasps, so it might be a good idea to take them down once wasp season starts to kick off. Don't forget to join us live on Friday on Facebook at 2 p.m. and we're going to learn how to make DIY bird feeders. Thanks for watching!